But still, at the corridor of the cells, we need to have CCTV cameras. We also need to have the OB, the occurrence book, available, public access. We can able to follow where there are any entries which are inputted by those who are mischievous. Investigation of all reported cases of police misconduct, including brutality, especially where excessive force is alleged. Proactive monitoring of police operations, such as public order management, security operations, and making of recommendations to inform police agencies where necessary. Recommendations for adoption of technology in policing, I think I've said that in terms of the OB, the body cameras, and the detention facilities. Recommendation for amendment of the police training curriculum in Kiganjo to review the standing orders and development of a training module to reinforce use of force guidelines and accountability standards. Provision of secure channels for the public and police to report police brutality to the authority, including a 24-hour call center, online platforms, and legal aid clinics. Conducting civic education and holding of dialogue sessions with the police to promote awareness and human rights in policing. And this includes, Mr. Chairman, we need to activate the county policing committees. It's dead in some of the counties. The community policing, which every police station needs to have at least, we need to also have them up and running across the country. And finally, we do statutory reporting through our published performance reports that detail achievement of the authorities' functions. The sixth question was, did the NPS engage with Mr. Ojwang family? That's, I think, for the IPOA. We are aware through social media and the police own statements that they had engaged the family of the deceased. Now, statistics on injuries, abuses, or death in police custody over the last 4 months. We have annexed, Mr. Chairman, Annex 1 is 20 cases of death reported. Do you have it?
We don't have any. Unless it's the same provided by the NPS.
No, we're different. We have different information.
Yeah, you can say, but you can have it.
Yeah, okay. I will share, okay. We have one, Annex 1 is the deaths in the last 4 months in police custody. Annex 2.
How many?
There are 20.
There are 20.
There are 20, and they are in Kisumu County.
And they had mentioned about 8, the NPS? 7.
Nakuru County, Nyeri County, Kisumu County, Kakamega, Murang'a, Machakos, Kisii, Kilifi, Nakuru, Taita Taveta, Machakos, Nairobi, Bungoma, Kiambu, Nyeri, and Nairobi. And these are, we got notification from family members, notification from the police, social media, and letters, and walk-ins. People coming in.
Include social media?
Yes.
Social media mean neither family members nor the police report.
Yes, yeah. Sometimes there are a lot of citizen activists who have now turned their phones into mobile televisions and the news.
Chair, point of order. Chair, in the interest of time and the Speaker's ruling, I think we should just go into matters related to what they're investigating on Ojwang's issue, not going into this other aspect of the report. That is going.
They were part of the letter.
Those others we have, so that we ask questions.
Yeah. We're supposed to have a report ready in the next 20 or so.
Okay.
So that is why the members are saying that we narrow. So that we spend more time.
I stand guided, Mr. Chairman.
Like to help us.
Yes.
Just try to rush through, then concentrate on the area of investigation so far. The arrest made, the investigations, what you have done, what you have found.
Yes, okay. Okay, I think we will table this report with the death and the injuries across the counties. So just to move on then quickly to the remaining questions. Mr. Chairman, there are some information that we cannot share it openly now in this kind of forum because we are conducting investigations and we are very close to...
It's no problem. Our standing orders will allow us to excuse to have the media excuse if you feel they are so much supposed to be in confidence, in private.
I think so. Yeah.
So
okay.
Do the rest.
Okay.
Then that bit, we'll evoke our standing order and ask for the state to allow us.
Okay.
Yes. The issue of how many officers have you already recommended, probably how many are you investigating, you can say before the media.
Yeah. Mr. Chairman, we have taken statements from all the police officers who had gone to arrest the late Ojwang from Mutembei, all of them. There were 5. We have also taken statements from the officers who were in the Central Police Station, from the OCS, the deputy OCS, the sentry officer, the cell sentry officer. They have different roles and names. There were 17 in total across for the whole day and night, including the shift that came and then took over from the other shift. So there are 17 in total. We have also interviewed some witnesses. Some of them were in custody at the night of the death of the late. Again, they have been also, and there are some other civilians of interest.
How many witnesses have you interviewed or interrogated?
23 civilians, in total, yeah, okay. In total, we have interviewed 23 people.
Including the police?
Yeah, all the police.
But the witnesses, it's good to separate. How many witnesses? Those who are in custody then, that night, the material night?
We have not yet classified them as suspects because first you take down their statements. And depending on how they all respond to the questions and the issue, some may become, some actually suspects, prime suspects. I don't
While we are on investigations, have they seen it fit or appropriate to also get a statement from the complainant of this whole case, the DIG?
Yes, we were going to summon him, but our team, our technical team, the investigators, said that they would have preferred to take all statements from all the policemen involved, before they can now confront him, and him being the final person who made the complaint. And I think it is probably much better that way. So there are also 2 civilians who are involved in a different way that we need to also investigate. I cannot give that in the particulars here. But we also have now made an application, urgent one, which is going to lead to some action in the course of today. Thank you.
Before, from what you can get from the IPOA, they have a lot of information they want to do in camera.
I was thinking, for the sake of the media, for the additional information on what they have spoken, we seek further information, then the media can now go and we deal with those issues as Security Committee. Of course, this is not the Senate, this is the committee, and I was charged you follow.
Maybe before we release the media, Chairman, I just want 2 clarifications. The first one is, do we have any people before the court? Secondly, in our interrogation of NPS, they are telling us that they have basically left everything to IPOA. No DCI, no internal affairs unit. So are you up to the task in terms of doing all the investigation, including the forensic? Thirdly, I read something very interesting in your submission. It is on the CCTV system located at the OCS office. Would you confirm that this interference with the CCTV system actually happened on the 8th of June and not before?
Response straight to the two.
Just to answer them one by one, or we take...
No, respond just to the two, because we are going to ask the media to allow us,
yes,
evoking our standing order.
yes.
It's to 198.
Yes. No, we have the capacity to investigate this crime, Mr. Chairman. We anticipate, of course, a certain level of blue code of silence taking effect within the system. But I think even if all the officers who were in the sentry at the night fail to cooperate, there's also other evidence which have been collected, both DNA, blood, other information that are going to help, and even the CCTV camera which has been interfered with. So we have the capacity to investigate. Mr. Chairman, I think even as we do that, I want to say this. We need more staff to do these kinds of work. Our current investigators, especially the top ones, we have asked them to focus on this one because it's a matter of national interest. But there are many others. Even yesterday, somebody was killed in Nakuru. Every other day, there are deaths occurring because of police action, because of public order management. So we need more investigators. And we need to... And
just to confirm what the vice had asked.
Yes.
Can you confirm what is written here? That the CCTV was manipulated or interfered with on the material day?
Yes.
To cover up?
It was true.
It's just a straightforward response.
I agree.
Yes.
I want to confirm it was actually somebody called somebody to come and actually do he was asked whether he could delete a particular section. He said he can't, he has to do it, all of it. And he did that.
So that we go in camera session.
So that we go in camera. Chair, there is something at page 4, and it is relevant to us that the